You are sitting in your living room right now. You look at your coffee table and see your iPhone 16 Pro, a marvel of modern engineering with AI features and insane speed. Then you look up at your TV, and underneath it sits a small black box. It looks fine. It streams Netflix. But inside it is aging. It is running on technology from 3 years ago. It doesn't know what Apple Intelligence is. It doesn't know what Wi-Fi 7 is. While the rest of your Apple ecosystem is sprinting into the future, your Apple TV is jogging in place. If you're thinking about buying a new streaming box, you need to stop. Put your wallet away, because the leaks are piling up and they are painting a very clear picture. Apple is about to drop a new Apple TV 4K, and it is going to be the biggest leap forward for the living room in years. We're talking about a chip that rivals game consoles, internet speeds that will make buffering extinct, and finally, the arrival of true AI on the big screen. In this video, we're going to break down exactly when this box is launching, the powerful new specs inside, and why this upgrade is worth waiting for. Let's start with the release date, because timing is everything. All year, the rumor mill was buzzing. September? October? November? Nothing happened. And now that we are at the end of the year, the chances of a surprise December drop are effectively zero. Apple doesn't like to launch major hardware when everyone is already on holiday. They want the spotlight. So, if it isn't happening now, when is it? The clues are pointing directly to the spring of next year. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, one of the most accurate Apple insiders, has noted that stock levels of the current Apple TV are shrinking in retail stores. That is the classic smoke signal that a new fire is starting. But the real hint comes from the software. Apple Intelligence, the big AI push, is rolling out in stages. The really advanced conversational Siri features are expected to hit their stride in the first half of next year. Apple wants hardware that can show this off. They don't want AI to be just a phone thing. They want it to be a home thing. A spring launch, likely in March or April, aligns perfectly with this software timeline. It fits Apple's pattern of using the spring window for meaningful, but not iPhone-level, hardware updates. So, we aren't talking about years of waiting. We're talking about months. So, what is actually inside this new box? Visually, don't expect a revolution. It will probably still be a small, unassuming black square. Apple has figured out the shape, and it works. But inside, it is a different beast entirely. The current model runs on the A17 Bionic. That chip is fine, but it's old news. The new Apple TV 4K is rumored to jump all the way to an A17 Pro class chip. Pause for a second and think about that. The A17 Pro is the chip that powers the iPhone 15 Pro. It supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. It is a chip capable of running console-quality games like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. Putting that kind of power into a box that is plugged into the wall with no battery constraints changes the game. It means the interface will be instant. No loading wheels. No lag. But more importantly, it positions the Apple TV as a legitimate casual gaming console. It won't kill the PS5, but for a lot of people, a silent box that plays high-fidelity games and streams movies is the perfect living room setup. But power needs a pipeline. And that brings us to the next big upgrade, Wi-Fi 7. The rumors suggest Apple is using a custom wireless chip, likely the N1, to bring Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 to the Apple TV. Why does this matter? If you live in an apartment building with 50 other Wi-Fi networks crowding the air, or if you have a house full of kids streaming 4K video on their iPads, Wi-Fi 7 is a lifesaver. It offers lower latency, less interference, and massive bandwidth. It means your 4K HDR stream stays crisp and doesn't buffer, even when the network is busy. It means cloud gaming becomes responsive. It is future-proofing your home for the next 5 years of internet speeds. However, the real reason this new box exists is the one thing the old box can't do: Apple Intelligence. This is the killer app. The current Apple TV just doesn't have the neural processing power to run Apple's new AI models on device. The new one will. What does AI on a TV actually look like? It means Siri stops being dumb. Right now, if you ask Siri a complex question on your TV, it often fails. With Apple Intelligence, you could say, find me that sci-fi movie with the guy from Dune that came out last year, and it understands. It knows the context. It knows your viewing history. It can act as a personal concierge. You could say, what happened in the last season of Severance, and get a smart summary before you start the new season. It transforms the TV from a passive screen into an active, intelligent assistant that knows you. It can manage your smart home with conversational commands, turning the living room into the brain of the house. There are also whispers of other improvements. We might see base storage increase, so you can download more of those massive A17 powered games without deleting apps. We could see deeper integration with a refreshed HomePod Mini for better home theater audio. And maybe, just maybe, tweaks to the remote to make it easier to find when it inevitably slides between the couch cushions. So, here is the bottom line. Should you buy the current Apple TV 4K right now? If your current streaming stick is broken, or if you simply need a box for a guest room and all you care about is Netflix, sure. You can probably find a current model on sale, and it is still a great streamer. The interface is clean, and it works. But for everyone else, for the people who care about technology, who want their home to feel modern, and who are excited about what AI can do, you absolutely should wait. The current model is a dead end for Apple Intelligence. It will never get those new smart features. By waiting just a few months, you get a device with a vastly superior chip, future-proof networking, and the ability to run the next generation of software. The new Apple TV 4K is shaping up to be the device that finally brings the living room into the AI era. Don't spend your money on the past when the future is knocking on the door. My best opinion on this product strategy. Honestly, I think the move to the A17 Pro chip is the most critical decision Apple can make here. The Apple TV has always been overpowered for streaming, but underpowered for serious gaming compared to consoles. This chip bridges that gap. If they can actually get developers to port console-quality games to the Apple TV, they could disrupt the casual console market. Not everyone wants to spend $500 on a PS5, but everyone wants to play FIFA or Call of Duty. If a $150 box can do that and run your smart home with AI, that is a winning formula. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on Apple's next big move, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends who are still struggling with slow smart TVs, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the launch update. Thanks for watching.